Today we're here at Ushirika home to install a solar-powered pump as well as inline water treatment unit. And the two units are going to help, one, in the provision of clean water. The children of the pupils studying here will get clean water directly from the system. And most importantly, again, is managing of the costs, which was due to the pumping system, because they have been currently using the mains as the power supply. And the only way to help managing this cost is through solar-powered pump. And so we're here to install, and I'm very happy to tell you that as part of Division Shortleaf main core objective of improving lives, this is one of the projects that I'm very proud of, and I'll be happy to oversee, and the impact is like to be felt instantly.
Ushirika Children's Center began about 20 years ago. I realized there were many children in Kibera who were not going to school. So I took it upon myself to educate these children, and I resigned the job where I was working to just be with the children here full time. But it gave me a lot of fulfillment just being around these children and seeing how I'm able to impart knowledge, impart skills. So Ushirika is more like a home that welcomes children. It is a school that educates, and it is also a playground that entertains. We want, when children are here, to be free, for them to be able to learn.
I learn well. It is closer to my home, and my friends also learn there. So the water was not even enough, so the toilets were not having enough water. And again, the water in school was salty, so I had to carry my own water from home, which sometimes could pour in my bag and destroy my books.
With a community of about 600 children in the same compound, water becomes very essential commodity to use. However, in our community, water is scarce, inadequate, and sometimes we don't have water at all. So, and I approached D&S Initiative. You are very welcoming, and I was asked to write a letter, and we began the correspondence. As a school, we are going to cut costs on electricity because now the solar panels will be able to pump water. Secondly, our children will find more time to be in school because they spend a lot of time looking for water outside. So it means they'll be more in school. And of course, them having more time in school, it means they're able to study well, concentrate, and of course improve on their grades. Besides that, of course, the water is going to be accessible to even the surrounding community. Many women look for water and they spend hours and hours and hours. So it means when they have water within the school compound, they can engage themselves in other meaningful activities to support their families and not to spend a lot of time looking for water. Of course, again, we think that through this project, childhood diseases that are caused by lack of water are going to reduce drastically. So our kids will be healthy, happy, educated, of course empowered.
Now that we have water, I'll be happy, not carrying water from home. My books now will not be destroyed. I'm very grateful.